List prices are up 1.2% year over year, while new inventory for sale continues to rise. It's Friday, August 14th, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Homes are selling in 19 days at 100% list to sold ratio. The Baltimore metro area had a 6.4% decrease in buyer activity year over year, and new contracts fell 3.4% from last year. The suburban market buyer activity decreased 3%, and new contracts rose 0.3%, with Frederick County being the most active into a positive number. The mountain region buyer activity is off by 21%, and new contracts fell 13% year over year. Southern Maryland buyer activity is up 8.8%, and new contracts fell 10.8% year over year. Active rentals rose again this week to 3,656 properties, with the median list price rising to $2,700 per month. It's taking a median of 30 days for a rental to go to lease. Curious about the housing values in your market? Reach out to me and let's talk. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, August 14th. Gosh, this year's going by quick. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next week. Take care.